In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Opera browser in Windows. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to remove Opera using the built-in Windows settings. Before we begin, save any work and close Opera if it's open so the uninstaller can run without interruptions. Start by opening the Windows search. You can click the search icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring it up. In the search bar, type Apps and Features, then click the Apps and Features system setting that appears. This takes you directly to the place where Windows manages installed programs, which is the safest way to uninstall apps. At the top of the Apps and Features page, look for the Search This List box. This filter helps you find what you need without scrolling through everything. Click inside that box and type Opera. You should see Opera or possibly Opera GX, if that's the version you installed, appear in the results. Click the Opera entry to expand its options. You'll see the Uninstall button appear. Go ahead and click Uninstall. Windows may ask for confirmation or administrator permission. Approve that prompt to continue. A second Uninstall button will appear as part of the process. Click Uninstall again to launch Opera's own uninstaller. Follow any on-screen prompts from the Opera uninstaller. If you're offered an option to remove browsing data, choose what's right for you. Keep it if you plan to reinstall later, or remove it if you want a clean slate. The uninstaller will run for a moment and then close. When it's finished, return to the Apps and Features window. Opera should no longer be listed. If you still see it, wait a few seconds. Use the refresh controls or reopen Apps and Features to update the list. If the uninstall button was grayed out earlier, make sure Opera wasn't running in the background and try again. That's it. You've uninstalled Opera in just a few clicks using Windows built-in tools. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your system tidy.